The Peak District, located in the heart of England, is a captivating region that beckons travelers with its breathtaking natural beauty, diverse landscapes, and an array of activities for outdoor enthusiasts and culture seekers alike. Stretching across parts of Derbyshire, Staffordshire, Cheshire, and South Yorkshire, this national park is renowned for its rugged moorlands, lush valleys, and charming villages. Here, visitors can immerse themselves in a world of exploration and adventure. One of the most iconic features of the Peak District is its stunning collection of limestone formations, including the awe-inspiring caverns of Castleton, where the magnificent Blue John Caves and Speedwell Caverns await exploration. These subterranean marvels are a testament to the geological wonders of the area and offer an enchanting journey beneath the surface of the Earth. For those seeking panoramic vistas and exhilarating hikes, the Peak District provides an extensive network of trails, ranging from leisurely strolls to challenging treks. The Kinder Scout Plateau, with its sweeping views of the surrounding countryside, is a must-visit destination for avid hikers. Additionally, the dramatic ridges of Stanage Edge are a popular spot for rock climbers and photographers alike. Water enthusiasts can revel in the splendor of the Peak District's reservoirs and lakes, such as Lady Bower Reservoir, which offer opportunities for boating, fishing, and picnicking against a backdrop of serene waters and lush woodlands. Anglers will find ample fishing spots to try their luck, while the region's rivers, including the River Derwent and River Wye, provide excellent conditions for kayaking and canoeing. History buffs will be captivated by the Peak District's rich heritage, with charming market towns like Bakewell and Buxton, known for their historic architecture and delightful markets. Chatsworth House, the palace of the Peak, is an imposing stately home that boasts magnificent gardens and an extensive art collection, making it a cultural gem not to be missed. The Peak District also serves as a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, with a diverse range of habitats supporting an array of species. Birdwatchers can spot peregrine falcons and buzzards soaring in the skies, while the region's wetlands and woodlands provide homes for otters, deer, and various other creatures. Foodies can savor the local delicacies of the Peak District, including the famous Bakewell pudding and the region's delectable cheeses. Quaint tea rooms and traditional pubs are perfect for sampling these culinary delights while enjoying the warm hospitality of the locals. In conclusion, the Peak District is a captivating destination that seamlessly combines natural beauty, outdoor adventures, cultural heritage, and culinary delights. Whether you're a hiker, history enthusiast, wildlife lover, or simply seeking a tranquil escape, the Peak District offers an abundance of experiences to satisfy your travel desires. This national park truly is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered by all who venture into its captivating embrace.